Hi everybody, welcome to the Baguette Investor for a very interesting video about sectors in cryptocurrency. I made a lot of videos about sectors in stocks, but I didn't make much about crypto. And as this video was following my last video, I was talking about the rise of sectorial trends in cryptocurrencies that had first happened in the summer of 2020. If you want to check this video, I'll link it down in the description, or you can go to the channel page. This is going to be the second release because I'm going to release this one and you're going to be watching it. If you don't know about this, you should have seen it. I think there is a very big hype surrounding metaverse coins. So I used CoinMarketCap to simply filter the assets. So you can really sort there. You just type metaverse, you click on it, and you get all the metaverse tokens and only them. They're here sort by market cap. You can also sort them by momentum if you want, by 90 or 30 days performance. There is a little chart right there that gives you a very good idea because I'm a technical trader. I look at the chart to take my trades. So it's very amazing. You can really see that there is something happening. They're all green. It's only green, green, green everywhere. Only green across the metaverse sector. So I made a good trade. I'm in a trade right now on Mana, which is one of the biggest. I think it's the biggest metaverse NFT, but it's more metaverse because it's really, I don't know if you know Mana. It's a very interesting project. It's like a virtual world where you have properties and you have like objects that you can buy and sell, and it's really like a monopoly, but you would be buying and selling the properties in the monopoly game with real money. So really incredible, very interesting stuff. But I'm a trader, so I'm more interested by the trade. Was an amazing. It was a good setup for my strategy. You know, some momentum being built. I didn't try anything on this breakout right there because, I did try something, made a trade and sold it. I can't remember, somewhere here because the market was dumping, and I got back into the trade, and now I'm making nice small profits because I'm not risking a lot of money there. But I might add to it on the 1 hour. Looks amazing. It's breaking to new highs. So yeah, I'm thinking about adding into it. I recall that like Wilder Words is also on a metaverse coin, and I'm also buying Alice. I don't know how you call that in your language. I'm telling it the French way. Alice, you can see it, Alice, around there. My neighbor Alice. This is a metaverse coin. Actually, you're gonna go into the detail about this. You can see My Neighbor Alice is a multiplayer builder game where one can buy and own virtual islands. Very interesting. You really just need to know that this assets is part of metaverse for it to take off. Basically, at this point, it's become a little bit too easy to make money in this market thanks to metaverse. So be very careful. I got Boza Gora. I couldn't really see how this project was related to metaverse, but it was in the metaverse part, and they were mentioned of metaverse on their website, so I did not think too much. I took a slightly little trade. I entered $500 last night right there, and now it's starting to move pretty nicely. So I'm trying to secure my trade as soon as possible, but right now it's moving in the right direction. That's all I need. And of course, this engine that is taking off like crazy. You can see there is a very strong momentum about. I was very lucky. I was able to buy the dip right there. It was really fortunate. I just ended up buying the breakout right there before going to bed. You can see this. I don't know if we're gonna have the previous thing right there. Are we gonna keep the filters? No, we're not. So I have to reset it. Oops, sorry, I'm just making it that real quick. Metaverse. There you go. Boom. And you're gonna see engine right there. Yep, you got an engine coin, which is also very good looking metaverse. And you can see right there, I don't know if you see my mouse, but it was an amazing opportunity. It was a big cup and handle inside a big cup and handle. So if you want to show you the big picture, you have the big cup and handle, and inside this big cup and handle, you had a nice ugly cup and handle. But if it's ugly in a bullish sector, I'm buying it. That's it. And you also see the beautiful volume right there. So when you have the sector, I'm going to make you a little list that is very interesting. When you have the sector, you have the chart, you have the volume. That's good. So I was buying engine. Very nice trade. So if you have not seen this hype that is going around. Well, it's very, very late. Most of these things are up like freaking crazy. Blocktopia is also very interesting setup that I have. PLA, look at that. PLA, this is one of the most interesting kind of setups that I'm looking at. I'm going to check with you right away if it's tradable somewhere. It's tradable on Binance, really. I'm going to check that right away. PLA USDT. I'm going to go into crypto. I'm going to check the setup. Oh, okay. I see. So we ain't got much data. It's listed also on Coinbase. And if you look at the overview and you look at the 3-month chart, yeah, this is a small cap. This is what the problem with this kind of chart. You can see there's no liquidity in this. So I'm trying to avoid as much as possible illiquid assets. I recall there is ILV that went up like crazy. I have a friend who showed me a chart that showing ILV. No, maybe it was on another exchange. It was maybe a coin. Yeah, I don't know. No, okay, didn't happen. But it was up quite a lot in the past hours with a tremendous volume. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to end my video. Otherwise, I will keep talking. Thank you so much for watching. Check the metaverse hype, and thank you for watching. Hope you're interested into these kind of videos. Goodbye.